Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at this. This is the LED flashlight plus power bank. So it is a solar device, so you can put it in the sun or in the brightness, even if it's not in direct sunlight, and it will start charging. So it'll charge the internal device, and then you can use it as a flashlight or as a power bank. So let's take it out. And this is what you get inside. So there's no instructions, and this is it right here. So you have that light right here, this LED lamp over here, and of course over there. So let's take this plastic off, and that's our solar panel. So like I said, it's a simple device. Let me dim the lights. Okay, so I dimmed the lights. As you can see, the power switch is on this side. So let's press it, and that's what happens when you press it. You get a flashlight, and if you press it again, you get a blinking, so you can get the attention of the rescuers from a helicopter. And if you press it again, well, it's supposed to glow over here, but let me do that again. Press it once, twice, and then you get that right here. And if you press it a third time, it just goes out. And that's it. So that's as far as the flashlight. But the most interesting part is the power bank. So let's get a phone. So here's our phone, and here's our charging cable. So over here, you pull that out, and you're gonna see two slots, two ports. The little port is for charging the device. If you don't want to charge it using the sun, you can do that too. And the bigger port is the output. So that's what you use to charge your phone. So let's plug this in. Okay, and now I got this super conversion thing. So this phone uses a USB-C, which is this one right here. So let's plug it in, see if it does anything. There we go. As you can see, it is coming up, and we are charging. Okay guys, so we are getting ready to go into the woods with our solar flashlight. So here we have it. So let me turn off the lamp and let's go. All right, let's go in. So it is loud. Those birds or whatever makes that noise, it is definitely loud. So you get a good range, as you can see. You can look on the trees. Wow, you can look all the way over there. It's very nice. So now let's try the flashing thing. And now the other lamp, the reading lamp. Let's keep walking. I don't see any snakes of any kind. But anyway, let's look up this tree. Okay, so I think it's time to go back. Okay, so we have reached the end of this review, and overall I'm very happy with it. So I'm going to give it a 4 stars out of 5 because it lacks an acknowledgement LED for the solar panel. So when you're charging with the USB cable, when you're charging the device with the little USB cable or little USB port, it will glow and you know it's working. But when you put it under the sun, even though it is working, there is no LED light to let you know that it is charging. So that's the reason why I took 1 star off. But everything else is perfect. I'm very happy with it and I do recommend it. So thank you for watching, subscribe and thumbs up.